So with this bit of string, I just tie it to that. Try and keep the length as much as possible. That knot on the end stops it sticking through, so you haven't got to go crazy with this, any highly technical knot on there, but that's just tied on there, yeah? So I'm going to make 2 of those. Yeah, you've got 2 now, yeah? So 1 for each grade of polish. Don't mix your polishes on them, it doesn't really work. Right, so yeah, this one, just rub it on there. Try and get it all around. Mix up the strings a bit. What I do is don't do the whole thing. I kind of do like most of it, but leave a little bit off. I find that helps getting a polish if you've got a clean bit. Yeah, and then with your string, sometimes like that whole bunch of string is too big for what you're trying to get it through. So you can go down to like, even like 2. I've done plenty of times. Get 2. As you use them, they get a bit frayed. One little trick is to get like a point on that. It's just get it in your mouth and lick it, and all the little frayed bits of string will go to a point, and then you can carefully hook it through. Like, see if I think the more you can get in a space, the better. It's better for polishing. But string, you can bend it right round, so you can get a proper polish all the way around a rounded piece. So then you just do this. Also, I tilt things, so I've got this kind of like almost like an S shape going on. Do that on purpose. And then as soon as the polish comes off, put a bit more on. As the polish gets more ingrained into the string, it improves its performance. But keep the piece moving, don't just go up and down in one spot, because that will cut into the metal. So not just left, right, you can rotate it as you're going backwards and forwards and doing this. That was it, just a short little video. I wanted to show about string polishing, and then they can stay on your bench. Like I'm putting all my tweezers back on, they will just stay there now, and they're useful next time. Just go straight to them, just a little zip, 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 and yeah, you get things, little areas polished that you couldn't do with another tool, so I recommend that.